Not.
Oh, we're live here with AllDay. What is it like fishing with Big Lou?
It is definitely a non-comfortable feeling. It's not something that you would just want to come out and do.
Oh
But
shit! Damn!
black chatters matter.
Get that motherfucker in here.
Get your ass out the grass.
Damn, that's a fat one.
Get your ass.
That's a fat motherfucker right
That's
there.
the first cast on that new chatterbait Buckman that Ed LeBron put me onto. Told you the black chatters mattered with nothing on it. Nice size. Put it all together. The complaint stopped and I popped my line and decided to do what I wanted to do. Kill the KVD and go with the chatterbait, and this is what you get.